Before we begin, you need to gather all of the materials you'll need: antibacterial soap, a lint-free cloth, a rubber bore brush, a mouthpiece or straw brush, tuning slide grease, and your slide oil. You want to make sure your bathtub is clean. So step 1, rinse out your bathtub. Fill up the bathtub with warm soapy water and swish the water around to clean the bathtub. Drain the water and rinse the tub one last time. Fill the bathtub up about a quarter full of cool, soapy water. Warm water will cause the metal to expand, which will make the lacquer peel off of your brass instrument. Place the mouthpiece in the soapy water. Take out the bell and pull the tuning slide apart. Put both parts inside the soapy water. Unlock the slide and carefully place the inner slide and the outer slide separately in the soapy water. Let the instrument soak in the soapy water for about 15 to 30 minutes. Use a mouthpiece brush or a straw brush to clean out the mouthpiece. Rinse off when you are finished. Use your rubber bore brush to clean out the tuning slide. Rinse off when you are finished. Using your lint-free cloth, dry off the outside of the tuning slide. Hang up the tuning slide in a safe location. This will allow it to drip dry from the inside. Proceed with cleaning the bell of the instrument using the rubber bore brush. When you are finished, rinse it off with cool water. Dry the instrument off with a lint-free cloth. Find a safe place to hang the instrument so that it can continue to dry from the inside. Carefully clean the inside of the outer slide with the rubber bore brush. Rinse off the slide with cool water. Dry the outer slide with a lint-free cloth. When you are drying the outer slide, be careful not to bend the water valve. Gently pat dry the cork on the water valve. Carefully hang up the outer slide in a safe place to dry. Take care and time as you clean the inner slide. Use your rubber bore brush to clean off any grime that may be at the ends of the poles, but be careful not to hold both poles at the same time. This will prevent bending in the inner slide. Any bending in the inner slide would have to be repaired by an instrument repair tech. When you are finished, rinse off with cool water. Using your lint-free cloth, carefully dry the inner slide in a straight forward motion, one pole at a time, as carefully as possible to not bend the poles. Hang the inner slide in a safe place to continue drying from the inside. While your instrument is drying, take time to vacuum out your case. You can take a very lightly damp cloth and wipe out the inside of your case. Leave your case open to aerate while you begin putting tuning slide grease back on your tuning slide and on your instrument. Place the tuning slide back on the instrument one prong at a time, rolling it around so that the grease can spread out evenly. Then take it out and replace the tuning slide appropriately. Place the inner slide back inside the outer slide. Prepare your slide oil. Be sure to put slide oil or lubricant on your slide, as playing with a dry slide would actually cause damage to the instrument. Lock your slide. Finally, it's time to put your instrument back in the case. Latch your case properly and you're ready to go.